Okay, what came in the mail, Carter?
An apple.
It's not an Xbox.
What is it?
Ask Daddy, what is that?
Atari.
Yeah.
Okay, put it on the floor here.
Got it now.
Can you open it? Have Daddy help you open it? Let's see what comes. See what comes in the Atari.
Did they go with Dada?
I just had these. Oh, sit down here.
They go with me.
With games, let's see the back of the box. Here's the front of the box. Okay, flip it over.
That back by.
Let's try to get a.
My baby B is Dano. That my baby B.
What's your favorite game?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pitfall Harry.
Ready?
Oh, look at there.
Look at the poster you can put on your wall. Look at that.
That's cool. It comes with a poster. Oh, he found the. Very cool, buddy. All right, what else? Another controller. Okay.
That means he had to do
We do have two players. Oh, excuse me, I had the hiccups this morning.
Look at that.
Wow. Are you,
But
yeah, we did turn the Curious George off so you could try to plug this in and see how it works.
Mom's gonna have to find us some batteries for the controllers.
Okay. So the controllers should take batteries. What sizes are they? Does it say on here?
I don't know. I think they're double
Darn
A's.
hiccups. Okay. So they do have a little. Pretty cool.
You're excited about this, huh?
They work pretty good. Oh, I got it
got
upside
email
down.
today.
Pretty neat.
So you didn't go. I know.
Well, let's get these. When we go find batteries, we'll get the game going. Okay, so we got it all hooked up. We're turning it on. And don't mind my messy living room.
I'll be wrong.
Is it gonna go?
I'll be wrong.
Oh, there we go.
I'll be wrong.
Now we're in business.
Yeah, well, let me show
Yeah,
Mom first.
got my laundry and my pillows. Okay, here is the main screen.
This is alphabetical.
Go ahead, Ryan.
And on my baby B.
Okay, looks like all the games are in alphabetical order. It did take batteries, guys. It's 2 AAA batteries each, so you need 4 of them to get these going. You want to play the racing game? Okay. Put out a game. Let's see what they look like.
Well, I want to play this one.
He wants to play racing. No, play the racing. Oh, they got like this. They tell you how to play each game. Apparently, Ryan wanted to be a unicorn. I'm not sure. Carter wants to race, so that's what they're going to do.
Go.
Okay. Gotta pick out a track.
Pick a track. Here, let's pick a track.
The guy.
Okay, what kind of track do you want? Ice, dirt, or blacktop? Which one, buddy? Ice.
Oh,
okay.
Okay, press the start button. The red button. There you go. Ready, set, go.
It's gonna take a minute, I guess, to figure out the toggles. If you just push forward, will it
we need a
go?
racing wheel for this one.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, who's the blue car?
Me?
Okay.
I wanna go.
Well, maybe we should find an easier.
That was crazy. Okay, so the racing game was a little difficult. We didn't read the instructions on the front. They're pretty detailed on how to play the games.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna find a. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah. Wait. goo.
Yeah, the game was a little difficult. Okay.
A wait, baby.
We got to read all the directions next time.
Yay.
Here's Hero.
Okay, so now I need another game to play. You can sit down by Daddy and play? Alright.
The wooden eye.
So it looks pretty similar to the original. What do you think, Ryan?
Wooden eye.
Any thoughts?
I'm still trying to figure it out, I guess. Okay, don't run into the walls.
We're not very good at this yet.
Oh, they want another life.
But anyways, so that's the overview. What do you guys think of it so far? Kind of confusing?
Yeah, the no beta.
Yeah.
So
Alright, so that is the new Atari that just came out here in 2017.
I thought you got E.
Okay, that's how
Hope
you
you
kill
enjoy.
yourself.